Oh, this one has the. This is one of this.
They have tunnels. It's like
Okay.
Oh, that's not like
Nice. Good. Do what? Is this part of the track? We are on the track as we're doing it.
Yeah.
It's Thursday.
Yeah.
It does look so yeah. This is over one of the tunnels. There's some nice whoops. Just gonna cruise here. Kind of want to get in that chair. I have to take a picture. This is where the magic happens, folks. Getting ready. See what kind of dirt we're working with. Thunder Valley side. More to come. This is where VIP seating is. High altitude and it's hot. Not super hot though. Cool little breeze going through. I think the one problem is because you're higher in the altitude, that sun's gonna pop you a little quicker. You have less air and atmosphere in the way of the sun. So yeah, protect yourself. Sunscreen, which I did not do today, but I will make sure I do every other day because we're not going to be out here a totally long time today. I think. I don't know. So nice. This is where I just was, giving a little speech. We go down here. Part of the track. Comes along. People got the VIP seats right here. That's what they would be seeing from. Which is a nice part of the track. Which is really cool. Seems like there's a tree covering the next part of the track. So let's go check that out. As always, necessities with large crowds, outdoor activities, the honey pot. These are tough shitters, I'll tell you what. Another VIP. Let's see what's around us. Let's see how the magic is over here. Over there on the other side. Let's go see this deck. Walk down. Just plants and stuff everywhere. Just keep going. Let's get it up earlier. Pit area. Thursday, state of the track. Beautiful. Lots of work to do, but they're making a great time of it. Still haven't smoothed it out yet. Just cut it up, bulldozed it in. See, it's in the side of a mountain. Pretty cool. Back here, little inside track.